So I have just received my CC cordless mini chainsaw. I'm very excited about it. So I thought I would show you what it looks like coming out of the box. First of all, it's got this great little carrying case. It's very lightweight, which I like about this chainsaw. I wanted something small that I could use around my garden that I could handle easily. So of course we have the chainsaw here. So again, it's pretty lightweight. It's got the safety guard. Take off. That's what that looks like. So what comes with it? A couple batteries, 21 volt. So these are handy to have two because you can be using one and have the other one charging. So they are very easy to get charging. You just have the adapter cord that plugs in here and gets you charging. Comes with a few safety items, some glasses, some gloves to wear, extra chain, and this, what I imagine, is to put some oil in so you can grease it up, and a little tool here, not sure what that's for, but it also has the instructions to get things going. So that is everything that you get with your CC cordless chainsaw. Very excited to test it out. So when I turned it on and guided it through some of the branches around my yard, it cut surprisingly clean and fast. Limbs that looked like they might take a little elbow grease, or that would take a lot of elbow grease if you were using a hand saw, this mini chainsaw flew through in seconds. So I thought the 900 watt motor felt punchy for such a compact tool, and the chain doesn't stall if you keep a consistent feed. So the battery life is pretty solid for such a light medium work, and since it ships you two of the battery packs, you can swap out one while the other charges. Most users report that each battery lasts about 1 hour or more under moderate use. So overall, for a small to medium yard or garden cleanup, it punches its way above its size. Just don't expect it to replace a full-size chainsaw or heavy timber jobs. So I highly recommend this mini chainsaw if you need something quick and convenient for trimming, pruning, and small cleanup jobs. It's compact, efficient, and makes garden maintenance way easier.